Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmori, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on common size statement. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. The contents are common size statement, common size income statement for the year ended with formula, common size balance sheet for the year ended with formula. Now, what is common size statement? It indicates the relationship of various items with some common items expressed as percentage of the common item. In the income statements, the sales figure is taken as the basis and all other figures are expressed as percentage of sales. Similarly, in the balance sheet, the total assets and liabilities is taken as base and all other figures are expressed as percentage of this total. The percentage so calculated are compared with corresponding percentages in other periods or other firms and meaningful conclusions are drawn. Generally, a common size income statement and common size balance sheet is prepared. It refers to the vertical studies single statement for the relationship of the components of the total. The common size financial statement first convert each amount in the statement to a percentage of the total amount of the group of which it is a part. It overcomes the limitations of comparative financial statements by enabling the analyst to understand the changes that have taken place from year to year in relation to the total of the group, say assets, liabilities, sales, etc. It is also known as the common percentage or 100%. It mainly includes common size profit and loss and common size balance sheet. Now we pass on to the common size income statement. The following procedures have to be adopted while preparing common size profit and loss account for the given traditional profit and loss account. An item in the profit and loss account should be taken as base. The base, let us say sales. The base, that is sales, is assumed to equal 100. All other items in the profit and loss account, debit side and credit side, are then expressed as percentage of sales. Instead of taking gross sales as the base, it is better to choose net sales as the base because it represents the effective revenue generation point. Formula for it is items of income or expenditure divided by net sales into 100. Sales for each year is taken as 100 and each item of income and expenditure in the year concerned is shown as percentage of sales. Now, common size balance sheet for the year ended. This goes with the For preparing common size balance sheet, the following procedures have to be observed. Either the total of the asset side or the total of the capital and liability side, as both are same, is to be taken as 100. Each type of asset is then expressed as a percentage of total assets or total of the capital and liabilities. Each item on the capital and liability side is also expressed as a percentage of total assets or total of the capital and liabilities. Formula for it is item of asset or liability divided by total of balance sheet into 100. Balance sheet total for each year is taken as 100 and each item of assets and liabilities is shown as percentage of balance sheet of the total year. Hope you would meet for the trend percentages in the next video. Thank you.